It's become one of those iconic images. It's Senator Obama on a 2006 visit to Kenya, dressed in traditional native garb. Garb? 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 Is that a word? Garb? All right, garb. Oh, look at this picture. This is different. These are the Obama campaign birds. You see them a lot this time of year during the primary. When the campaign really begins to take wing. Yes, and we're all trying to branch out this political season. Well, you know, here at the cable news, we don't have the money we need to really do things. But no doubt you've seen the iconic image of Senator Obama wearing the turban. Now the Obama camp is accusing the Clinton campaign of deliberately disseminating it in order to bolster the misconception that Obama is a parrot. Most of us realize that he's not a parrot, but we've been getting these robocalls and mailings all the time. Apparently he once had a pastor who advocated parrot-related causes. Well, here with me to kick this around for a little while, I have a couple of very special guests. I'd like to welcome Peggy Patty Prentice. Peggy is Hillary Clinton's Assistant Vice Deputy for Strategic Communication Strategy. And Obama spokesman David Mulberry Schwartz. Now, Peggy, the Obama campaign... Oh, there we are. Is Barack Obama a Muslim? Now, Peggy, the Obama campaign is